We will take the first pranayama, that is Bhasrika. Okay, and Bhasrika means the in English terms we can call it as bellows breath, right? Bellows breath. Okay. How what you call the blacksmiths, right? They use bellows to pump in the air. Similarly, in this pranayama, we have to inhale intensely and exhale intensely. Okay. So that is what in Kapalabhati the attention was only on exhalation, but in Bhasrika pranayama you have to inhale intensely and exhale intensely like the bellow of a blacksmith, right? That is what Bhasrika pranayama is, right? And again it has to be done when the stomach is empty and bowels are empty, preferably in the morning. It increases gastric fire, it removes all diseases arising from excess of vata, pitta and kapha, give warmth to the body. Okay. So forceful inhalation and forceful exhalation in rapid succession is the characteristic of Bhasrika pranayama. Okay. It quickly awakens the Kundalini. Long-term practice of Bhasrika purifies the body and awakens the inherent higher powers. Body temperature rises slightly, accompanied with mild sweating, which reduces the temperature and keeps the body at normal temperature. It also increases the supply of oxygen in the blood. Okay. So you can say it is a combination of Kapalabhati and Ujjayi. You can again, reach the state of Keval Kumbha, be there and enjoy that status. That's very important. It improves general health and activates all organs, purifies nadis and ensure free flow of prana. It also break through the three granthis which we call the psychic knots: Brahma Granthi, Vishnu Granthi and Rudra Granthi. So this is about the Bhasrika pranayama. Okay. So let me demonstrate. Okay. Again you have to sit in Sukhasana. Mudra is Dhyana Mudra. Forceful inhalation and forceful exhalation in rapid succession. Okay. So that is what Bhasrika pranayama is. You can start, stop whenever you feel like stopping, don't overdo it. That's the thumb rule when you practice any pranayama or kriya. Take some normal breath. Forceful inhalation and forceful exhalation. That is what is Bhasrika.